AI is taking over everything, and people are making serious money with it. But can you really make money using AI side hustles, or is it all hype? In this video, I put 3 AI side hustles to the test to see if they actually work, and how much I made. Stick around because I'll break down the results, what worked, what didn't, and how you can do this too. Let's go. Side Hustle 1, AI generated YouTube videos. First up, I tested AI generated YouTube videos. This method uses tools like Pictory AI, HeyGen, and ElevenLabs to create a full YouTube video without showing your face. Here's how it works. Step 1, AI script writing. I used ChatGPT to generate a full script in seconds. Step 2, AI voiceover. I plugged the script into ElevenLabs for a natural voice. Step 3, AI video editing. I used Pictory AI to generate stock footage, transitions, and subtitles. Step 4, SEO optimization. Researched high-ranking keywords using TubeBuddy. Step 5, uploading and promotion. Used YouTube Shorts and Reddit for extra traffic. After uploading my AI-generated video to YouTube, I waited 7 days to see if it gained any traction. Results: views, 1,200 views in 7 days. Ad revenue, $3.50, not much, but promising. Affiliate clicks, 7 clicks on an AI tool link. Lessons learned: AI tools can generate content fast, but SEO and engagement matter. The first few videos may not earn much, but consistency is key. Leveraging affiliate links can help boost earnings beyond YouTube ads. Not bad for a fully automated video. But can AI do even better? Let's check out side hustle number 2. Side hustle 2, AI copywriting with ChatGPT and Jasper. Next, I tried AI copywriting, writing articles, product descriptions, and even full blogs using ChatGPT and Jasper AI. The idea is simple: businesses pay for content, and we let AI do the work. Here's how I did it. Step 1, finding clients. I signed up on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn offering AI-powered content writing. Step 2, AI content creation. ChatGPT plus Jasper wrote full blog posts in under 10 minutes. Step 3, formatting and editing. Used Grammarly and Hemingway to polish the text. Step 4, SEO strategy. Used Surfer SEO to optimize for better rankings. Step 5, monetizing content. Offered extra services like SEO optimization and formatting. Results: clients, 4 orders in the first week. Total earnings, $150. Time spent, 3.5 hours. Lessons learned: clients will pay more for well-optimized AI-generated content. Having a strong LinkedIn presence helped land additional projects. Freelancing is quick money, but scaling requires hiring writers or automation. AI content writing is a real side hustle, but you need good SEO skills and editing to maximize success. Now, let's test the final hustle. Side Hustle 3, AI generated digital products. For Side Hustle 3, I tested AI generated digital products, selling ebooks, printables, and AI generated designs on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Redbubble. Here's the process. Step 1, AI content generation. Use ChatGPT plus Canva AI to create a 50-page ebook. Step 2, AI design and branding. Used Canva AI for mockups, covers, and branding. Step 3, selling online. Listed the ebook on Etsy and Gumroad with a low-cost launch strategy. Step 4, scaling up. Created multiple products to increase sales volume. Step 5, driving traffic. Used Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram to promote. Results: sales, 6 ebook sales in 5 days. Earnings, $72. Marketing: use social media and Etsy SEO for free traffic. Lessons learned: AI tools can create sellable products, but marketing is key. Expanding to multiple platforms, Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon KDP, increases sales potential. Social media, especially Pinterest, is a powerful traffic source for digital products. Digital products are a great AI side hustle, especially for passive income. But let's wrap this up and compare all 3. Final results and takeaways. So, here's how much I made in my 7-day AI side hustle challenge. Final earnings summary: AI YouTube, $3.50 in ad revenue plus 7 affiliate clicks. AI copywriting, $150 for 4 freelance orders. AI digital products, $72 from 6 ebook sales. Total earnings, $225.50 in 1 week. Biggest takeaways: AI tools save time, but human strategy is still needed. Freelancing, AI writing, is the fastest way to make money. YouTube and digital products take longer but can scale passively. If you want to start making money with AI, check the links below for the exact tools I used in my free step-by-step AI business guide. Subscribe for more AI business hacks.